I am thankful to all the honorable members who have participated in the debate. Full stop. Some honorable members expressed certain reservations about some of the provisions of the bill. Full stop. But all the same, it has been a brief but very interesting debate. Full stop. My friend expressed certain views. Full stop. I thought that his party had become wiser because of some developments in the country and because of the way the problems of land and agriculture in this country were getting solved. Full stop. And my understanding was that party broadly agrees with the national guidelines on the sealing laws. Full stop. Once I had some talk with his leader and I was told that the party broadly agrees with the land reforms legislation and guidelines. Full stop. But opposite views I have heard just now from my honorable friend. Full stop. Sir, these broad guidelines and the national sealing laws have been broadly accepted in this country as part of the land reforms, and there has been by and large a general consensus irrespective of party platforms. Full stop. But while my friend spoke about the bill, though he did not positively say that he is opposed to the provisions, he expressed certain views. Full stop. For instance, he thought there are certain contradictions involved in the government policies as far as land sealing laws are concerned. Full stop. He asked, how is it that, on the one hand, the government is promoting mechanization and, on the other, the government wants to have farms of 8 hectares. Full stop. Paragraph change. Now, I would like to tell my friend that as far as India is concerned, first of all, this is not a country where we can afford to have big farms. Full stop. The days of big farms, absentee landlordism and very large holdings have gone. Full stop. In fact, we can claim very legitimately that one of our very proud achievements is that we have done away with landlordism, we have done away with big landlords and big estates, full stop. We want this country to be a country of small farmers, full stop. But there were certain persons, certain individuals, certain categories of persons, who had in their possession very large holdings, full stop. I do not think they can have it now, full stop. But naturally, whatever may be the problems of agriculture in this country, we have tried to find solutions in its own background, full stop. We cannot follow the pattern of either the Soviet Union or America, full stop, close.